Hello 7th standard student. Today we are going to start chapter 18 perimeter and area exercise 18.2. In this exercise we will learn about the triangle. We know that a three-sided closed figure is called a triangle. Here we take one triangle PQR. Okay, and here we take a perpendicular PS2 on QR. Okay, one perpendicular, a line PS cut on QR. Okay, here QR is base. Okay, QR is called base and PS is called height. So first formula is area of triangle PQR is 1/2 into base into corresponding altitude. Otherwise in other language we can say height. Okay. So what is base here? QR. This is called base. And what is height here? PS. This is called height. This is our first one. So it will become 2 into area over height. And if we want to find out the height, then formula is 2 into area over base. These are the first three formulas. Now move to the second figure. You can see here I am taking one triangle ABC whose all three sides are equal. We know that if a triangle all three sides are equal, that triangle is called a equilateral triangle, right? So area of a equilateral triangle, what is the formula of area of a equilateral triangle is square root of 3/4 multiply side square. The figure number 3, this type of triangle is given to you. This is called a right angle triangle because its one angle is 90 degree. That's why it is called a right angle triangle. Okay. So how to find the area of right angle triangle is equal to 1/2 product of legs perpendicular to each other. Now what is the meaning of perpendicular of each other means lines which make a 90 degree angle. Which makes a 90 degree angle. So here you can see AB making a 90 degree angle and also CB or BC also making a 90 degree angle. But AC is not making a 90 degree angle because it's not a straight line. Okay. So our formula is 1/2 AB into BC. Move to the exercise. Question number 1, first part. They said find the area of a triangle. Base is given to you, height is given to you, and they said find the area of a triangle. You can see in this question both unit is same. Okay. First of all we have to check whether the unit are same or not. If unit is not same, first of all we have to make the unit same. Then we have to find out the area of a triangle. So we know that the formula area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. So what is base? 18 and what is height? 12. So centimeter square. Okay. So 2 cut with 18 we get 9 into 12 108 centimeter square. Clear? So now next example we take question number 4. Here area of triangle is given to you. Base is given to you and they said find the height. Again first we check whether the unit is same or not. You can see here unit is same, so no need to change anything. So simply take the formula and put the value and get the answer. So height is equal to 2 into area over base. So 2 into 500 centimeter square over 50 centimeter. 50 cut with 510. 2 into 10 20 centimeter. That is our answer. In question number 5 they said find the base. Okay. Now area of triangle is given to you 0.8 meter square and altitude, other language you can say height also. Okay. So altitude is given to you 20 centimeter. Now you can see unit is not set same. Here is in meter and here is in centimeter. So first we change our centimeter into meter. Okay, we know that in 1 meter how many centimeter? 100 centimeters are there. But when we are changing centimeter to meter, we divide with 100, not multiply, divide. So 20 over 100 meter. So after division we get 0.2 meter. Now altitude also in meter, area is also in meter, unit same. Now we simply use the formula. What is our formula? Base is equal to 2 into area over height. So 2 into 0.8 meter square over 0.2 meter. Now both see the statement. Here after decimal 1 digit, here also after decimal 1 digit. Both. So decimal cut with decimal. Direct cutting, 2 8s are 4. So 4 2s are 8. Meter is our answer. Now we are taking question number 7. A right angle is given to you. Triangle name is ABC and right angle is on B. And BD is perpendicular to AC, that is also given to you. Base 24 centimeter is given to you and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter is given to you. Okay, so we know that a right angle triangle where one angle must be a 90 degree, that is called a right angle triangle. Here I am going to tell you what is hypotenuse. Okay, when this type of triangle is given to you where one is 90 degree angle, okay, so this side is called a perpendicular P, and this where the 90 degree angle meet, that is called base. Okay, and this longer line is called the hypotenuse. Clear? This one is called perpendicular, this one is called base, and this long line is called a hypotenuse. Clear? So here we are using first time, this formula is for you new, we are using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, only for this sum we are using this Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, now base is given to you, that is 24 centimeter, that is given to you. Okay, and hypotenuse is given to you, that is 25 centimeter, that is given to you 25 centimeter. Clear? Now we are using hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse? 25 square, AC square. Okay, what is perpendicular here in the triangle ABC? AB. AB is perpendicular, so we write AB square. We don't know the value of AB. So base square, what is base? 24. BC square means 24 square. Here square means multiply the particular number 2 times. So 25 multiply 2 times 25 is equal to 625. AB square as it is plus 24 576. Now 576 move other side, it become minus. So 625 minus 576 we get 49. Oh, we already done. When square move other side, it become square root. Now what is the square root of 49? 7 sevens are 49. So 7. So AB we get 7 centimeters. So in this triangle, the BC is 25, AC is 25, BC is 24 and AB is 7 centimeter. That we find out. We done this one. Okay. Now we find the area of a triangle. We know the formula of area of a triangle. ABC is 1 over 2 base into height. So what is the base here? 24. And what is the height here? AB. Height is AB. So 7 centimeter square. So after cutting and multiply, we get area is equal to 84 centimeter square. Now we have to find out BD, second part. First part done. We have to find out the area. Done, we find the area. Now we have to find out the value of BD. Again we take the same triangle. Area of triangle 1 over 2 base into height. Now we are taking this one. Now this one is perpendicular. If this one is perpendicular, then what is the base? AC is the base. Clear? First, in the first area of triangle, we take ABC and we take this one is perpendicular, AB, then what is base? BC. Now we are taking BD perpendicular. This 90 degree we are taking. So what is the base now? AC. AC is the base and height is BD. Clear? So 1 over 2 AC into BD. What is the value of AC is 25 centimeter. BD as it is. Area already we find out. What is? 24 centimeter square. Okay. So 2 and 25 move other side. 2 into 84 over 25. So 168 divided by 25 we get 6.75. So what is the value of BD is 6.72 centimeter. Thank you.